My name is Munich. I'm responsible for the commercial storage part inside our trade department. You have here the look at our commercial storage system from the company Riello. Riello is an Italian UPS manufacturer, and for several years they have made a new development. So they take an industrial UPS system, a complete product family, and made a modification. So they take the function UPS, uninterruptible power supply, together with a storage system. And that is an absolutely unique in the market. So we have here a complete range between 9 kilowatt and up to 800 kilowatts, so that we are able to supply energy in every kind of commercial companies. Yes, and we have at every function the UPS protection inside. Yes, so the unit is able to develop peak shaving, self-consumption, and it is also possible to make a black start, so that we have the possibility to realize off-grid systems, yes, or island systems, whatever else. Yes. In the standard, Riello system use the batteries from the company Yuasa. Yuasa is a Japanese company, very famous in the area of UPS systems. Yes. And this is an industrial lithium-ion system with a C rate of 4. That is very high, because we have here the possibility to take, as an example, 100 kilowatt out of 25 kilowatt hours. So this is important because we talk about an UPS system. So if we are in the battery supply without main, then the UPS or the energy storage must be able to supply the complete energy out of the battery to the inverter, to the load. And also if we have there a short interruption or something else, or a very big peak there, no? That must be done also from the battery. And then it is important to have a C rate from 4. Okay, it is scalable with 25. It started, and it is able to realize up to megawatt hours. Yes. So we have here the area of a complete solution for companies. So at the right side, you see the inverters for photovoltaik from different manufacturers. Here inside, which we are in our trade company have, and the other round you see the green line here between the photovoltaik and the energy management system on the other side, here on this side. And here we are able to monitor and to control the complete energy of a company. So integrated the storage system, the photovoltaic systems, charging stations, whatever else what the company needs. Okay? So also we trade with the company Riello, but also with the company Refo, with the battery manufacturer BYD, and also with the company Varta, that are our partners for the commercial storage part. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, Mr. Munich, thank you very much. This was very fast and briefly, and I think a great intro. Does anybody have a question? We have a little bit time for questions left. Okay. So stop, please. Take the microphone.
The technology of the batteries, what kind of technology? Lithium-ion or?
It is lithium-ion, but it is nickel mangan oxide. Yes, it's also a battery which is used for electrical vehicle. Yes, yes.
Please, if you have a question, wait until I have the microphone, and you also please wait with the answer. Okay? So everybody has to hear it. So anybody else has a question?
What is the typical response time?
The response time from the inverter. It is directly. It's directly because the unit is able to configure it in different ways. Because you must see it is an UPS system, and if you have a peak shaving, you can say can make the controlling of the inside inverter. You can say to him, okay, you are only 20 kilowatt hours, but the output is 100. So, and every energy what you take out of it, above 20, will go out of the battery. So there's no time. Okay, it's possible.
Okay. But on a power out, a loss of network, what could it do then?
When the power is out, the main power, you mean? Yes, there's no interruption. Absolutely zero interruption.
So one question from my side, it's a real online UPS?
It's a real online double conversion UPS system, yes, right.
Answers the question? Okay. Anybody else has a question? Please give me a sign. So I would, Mr. Munich, I would have a last question. Who will be the warranty giver for this system? That means I understand the Yuasa is supplying the battery packs, Riello, the UPS system. Who gives the warranty of the overall system? You, as BayWa?
Sorry, the complete warranty will give us from Riello. Complete, yes. Yeah.
That means Riello is a sort of system integrator and you are a sort of distributor of the system. Right. So, another question, do you give any support on the installers on dimensioning, designing for these things?
Yes, of course. What we need is the load curve of the company. Then we made the planning, the design from the complete storage system. Yes, right.
Oh, I think there are more questions. I gave you the time to make more questions. Yeah, we have two more questions. Then we have to go to the next booth.
Do you have any solution for on-grid systems, only off-grid? On-grid. Do you have any on-grid?
Yes, it's both. This solution is able to support it for on-grid, but also for off-grid, or in a mixture. So if you have a grid system that is not very stable, and you have a blackout every few hours or something like this, that is also possible to work with this kind of system, because you are also able to integrate diesel or windmills or something like this. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just wondering if you sell all these systems worldwide, because the last year I came here, you didn't have the policies to sell it to Latin America, for example.
That's a good question, but it's not the right question for me, or to me. But we can discuss it later, yes, no problem.
So come back to the booth, ask for Mr. Munich and say, who is the right person to discuss this? Thank you very much.